They really finna back it up. Hold on. Pause the video. Come on, motherfucker. Come on. Come on. It's a truck. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's a car coming. Oh, shit. All right. The camera won't focus. Richie said, I like life. I like life. I'm on. Hey, that motherfucking drops are fire, dude. Alright, go ahead. It's like the day in the life of your dick. It's like a dick point of view.
So you're recording right now?
Yeah.
Spinning and winning.
Spinning is not.
Yeah, we figured that out.
Unless you mean, you know. Okay, we ready? Okay, you can go now. Okay. Bro, why you doing that? You fucking up the floor.
Fucking up the what?
Nope, keep it again.
Nope. No, we said nope.
Here you go.
Hey.
Hey, I think my car might be on fire, but I don't know.
Nigga, we pulled the Johnny
We in Johnny Grills.
Johnny Grills?
We thought you was turning in Johnny
We thought you was
Grills.
turning in Johnny Grills.
Oh, I pulled over here. I was telling me that you turned, but I was already too far past the light. I'm pulling over here in Mid City. I think my car might be on fire. I don't know.
All right, here we go.
All right, we coming.
Hey, go to Mid City. Josh said his car might be on fire.
Oh shit.
I don't know if
I smelled heat.
I don't know if he's joking or what. So let's go.
I smell like fuel and burnt shit.
He said he smells fuel and burnt shit. That's what we were smelling while we was behind him the whole time. Uh-oh.
And what happened?
Bro, you leaking like crazy.
I know that's gas. My injector blew out.
Cause I was smelling.
Yeah, I smell fuel.
We smelled it the whole way.
One of my injectors just continued right here. There's a whole puddle of gas.
Watch out. Oh shit. What is it?
You gonna go grab the truck or you gonna?
Huh?
You gonna go grab the truck?
No.
You gonna drive this bitch home?
I'm gonna at least try to pull the injector out, see if I can put it back in. I think it's just to make one to the overhand, so I'm gonna drive it soft on the way home.
Yeah, but if you pull the injector out, it's just gonna.
Spray.
You might as well just leave it in.
I think I should just turn off the take my battery loose. Take the battery loose, it won't spray no injector fluid. It won't spray no gas.
But it's still gonna spray the.
It's gonna spray gas regardless, but.
What if you just disconnect them?
Huh?
Just disconnect them. Like, just unplug it. It's gonna be running like shit, but to get it home.
It leaking, bro. He leaking. Oh Lord. What cylinder is it?
Number.
So Josh, what happened?
Hold on.
What happened, Josh?
The bullshit was flipped this time. The bullshit was flipped. Oh,
We ain't fucked nothing up.
the curse got put on you.
You fucked something up.
Oh.
But my shit always.
And then
fucked
hold
up.
on, don't forget. You got gapped by Jesse.
Yeah. All right. I got it.
Oh man, Josh, come here. It's okay to cry.
I ain't crying. I got got by Jesse one time before.
Yeah, but then every other time it's when you fuck his car fucked up.
I ain't gonna lie, I was hawking your ass down that road.
Nah, hey, you been glad I was hawking your ass down.
I don't know about that. The video
Hey,
say-
no,
bro.
we got the video.
Richie, how do you
We got,
We let off because of fucking traffic. Let's be real
but
here.
when we was in it, he got the video. He was coming back.
He
But
was
it
ahead of you.
No, he was here. Cause look, I hunked.
Well,
and
but you was barely coming back.
Yeah,
You were
and look,
barely
I look.
coming back.
Hey, look, like you know, I have no low gear torque at all. So I'm all like coming in 456. My ass was like, oh, I'm getting his ass. And then they got there in car, and all my wings.
I got that on
forward.
video, bro. He went straight into the emergency lane and
I was
rolled
like,
that
oh my
motherfucker.
God.
I said, fuck it. I said,
No,
scared.
but the thing, when you and Josh did the roll, Jesse was on Josh's ass
I was
the
on
whole
your ass.
fucking time.
I know. I can see y'all. I was like,
I was
what?
catching up, honestly.
He was pulling. He let
Oh,
off
shit,
because he
look
got
at
too
this.
close.
Oh shit. Hold on, let me get that on video.
Oh, I told you it was an O-ring.
It's the upper.
See,
How fucked up is fucked up.
That's fucked up.
disconnect my battery real fast.
Oh, it's spraying.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I'm saying. You don't want to go grab the truck.
I got a lighter.
I'd much rather you grab the truck than drive this bitch back home.
Hey, I got a lighter if you need it.
Because honestly,
Hey, hold on, I got tools in my truck. What you need? What size?
You need duct tape? Bro, you just lost a whole gallon doing that.
Hold on. It's not a size.
Hey, here. I got tools.
Let me see if I
it
can
don't matter.
get
You gotta unplug it.
onto that.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you need to get in
You
right
can't
here.
just take one injection.
One down there. You had a bad oil leak, remember?
Yeah.
That one too. Hey, why is this? Oh, it ain't magnetic.
No, it's not.
I'm trying to give you a light to work in over here.
Drown it out.
Huh?
That's
Wash
water.
it. Wash it
Wash it
off.
off.
Yeah.
I got something here too.
I'm just gonna like do that.
See this? This is like Darren said in the last video. Everything a BMW person has.
Oh Lord.
You want you to water it down?
Rail? Or did you?
Did you unplug the whole rail?
Yeah. Because my with the velocity ones, it's easier just
Want to hold that?
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, Jesse.
It's like
How do you feel?
It ain't me this goddamn time.
Well, you have a pretty badass car here, brother.
Hey, you might want to pour some right here on top of the block because you got a pool of it.
Oh shit,
Let me
you
see
sure
it.
do.
oh shit.
Hold on, let me get down in there before you get rid of it. Oh gosh.
Just click it, right?
Oh man.
Hell yeah.
Oh
At
Lord.
least my water pump not leaking.
Oh Lord. All right, Darren.
That's on
All right, Darren.
Cause look, these motherfuckers is
You
plastic.
gotta have a pool of water on top of your motor than a pool of gas.
Damn right with that.
Oh, that's it focuses.
Oh, autofocus.
Yeah, so if you
We go against
point
each other. We ain't
specific
trying to lose each other.
right here, I'll show you. It's
Oh,
got
shit.
facial recognition. So if anyone wondering what I'm talking about, stop on it, Jesse.
Oh, sorry.
If anyone's wondering, I'm showing Mike how to use the camera. It's got automatic facial recognition. But if you want it to focus on a specific point, then you'll
Off button right here, yeah.
you'll just touch the screen,
Yeah.
and then it'll focus on that. So I changed the modes a little bit to see if it was better. So yeah, that looks a lot better. Holy
Yeah, it actually
shit.
does look a lot better. Like, look.
Hey, Richie, before we leave, can you take some videos of my car?
Oh yeah.
Hey, actually,